Okay. Now fitting a line. So X randomly some data is given X and Y. See here. And I'm going to use the polyfit function and I'm going to fit this line to the polynomial. Okay. So I'm going to give C is equal to polyfit of X comma Y. First degree means, you know, when the polynomial is going to have a degree 1, it is going to be a straight line, right? So first degree means I'm going to give a straight line. So I'm giving X comma Y comma 1. First degree means I'm going to fit a straight line to this X and Y. We'll see if this is correct. So 1 degree means you will have X and constant. Y is equal to f of X, right? Y X and constant term you will get. Now we are going to eval the at each value of X, find the eval, use the eval function, store the result in Y fit. So I have got the polynomial. So Y fit equal to poly eval of, I'll be passing C comma X. I'm doing it for the same X. I have evaluated the polynomial. Undefined polyval, sorry, it is just polyval, not polyeval. So undefined, it is throwing an error. I have got the evaluated value of, I'll submit here. We'll check whether if it is correct. Yes. Next task, we are going to plot on the top of existing graph. On top of existing graph means I will be giving, hold on, plot X comma Y fit, hold off. Correct? Hold on means the previous graph is held. Is the plot correct? So I think some formatting is wrong. Maybe I should give it as markers, right? So it is a straight line. So maybe I will give it as a red color. So I have to give comma R. That is what is given here. Now let us see if it is correct. I have given as a red line. Now I think it should be correct. You're getting a red line, and you see that the points are very close to the line. So the correlation is very, very good. The correlation is very good. So similarly, you can see, for example, if we give a second order variable, we run the program. See how will the output be? I'm running this section. I am running this section. I am running this section. Okay, this is a second order fit. You see the values are changing. Now, if I see the C values, 3 is there, X squared, X and constant. Now, if I give third order, according to the values, you see 4 values you get. So, depending on the polynomial what you're considering, you will get that many coefficients, and you can use that to see how your polynomial and your data are closely correlated. That is what is the objective.